good, YouTube? It's your boy JB, Mr. Major Man, Mr. 504 Jeezy from the Big Easy here to welcome y'all back to the show. And today I got another unboxing and review for y'all. But before I do that, I like y'all hit that like button, hit that notification bell, subscribe to the channel. Also follow me on all my other social media platforms, which will be linked in the description below. And I am super excited, as y'all just could see right here from the apparel. It is Kobe Bean Bryant's birthday, so shout out to my guy, man. Like I already told in many videos before, Kobe being one of the biggest inspirations on my life. Mamba mentality, as always, man. Like I said, grew up from the beginning of his career to the end of his career. Not many people can say they did that, and like I said, that's probably why he has been the biggest effect on a lot of us, especially my generation for the most part. He was our Michael Jordan, and tomorrow being Mamba Day, so I mean, it's a celebration of life, not a celebration of death. In my words and opinions, we're celebrating the life of Kobe, and of course Gigi as well, his daughter. He also lost as well. Me being the father of a daughter, I've really get kind of choked up about that in a different kind of way. But in any case, man, like I said, got an unboxing for y'all. But I'm also excited because if y'all haven't seen right here, they are releasing a new Air Force One, and it is based after my city of New Orleans. As y'all can see right here, we got the bling bling on there on the outer swoosh. Had the 504, the gold. Like, if you don't know about New Orleans culture, this definitely screams it right here. Getting it out the mud for sure. I wish they would have put G-Night somewhere on there, but yeah, it's either beggars can't be choosers. Glad to see we're being represented in a Fireway. We also had the Jordan 1 that's coming out later this year, the Zion Jordan 1, dedicated to Voodoo. His shoe did come out, so I will be going to grab that too. But let's go ahead and get into this. I did get an unboxing from Hat Club, so I just want to go ahead and get into some of these right here. Right here, as y'all can see, Hat Club, they don't do the tape anymore, so it is what it is. But yeah, any case, part 3 hats from there. We got this one. I'm gonna start from probably my least. Well, I ain't gonna say my least. I'm gonna just start with the first one I have out of here, and it is, bam, the Dodgers T-Dot collection. As y'all can see right there, based off of the Toronto Raptors jersey colors. As y'all can see, we do have a purple crown, two-tone, black visor, and we have that LA done in black with the red outline on it. Very nice in my opinion. Love how this one came out. I know this was kind of a sleeper collection, but the Dodgers did sell out on there, and you know, me being a Dodgers fan, you kind of panicked on every Dodgers hat for the most part, except for probably the 88 patch. But as y'all can see, we do have a Tunnel Out New Era logo. We have a flat Batterman on the back, and we have that lovely 50th anniversary stadium patch right here, as y'all can see right there. And they really did a good job with this one right here, especially implementing the silver. Y'all can really kind of see that right there in the light. Very nice in my opinion. And it did have a red UV and a black sweatband. There are some sizes still sitting, I think, and honestly, I think the Toronto, which would have been the one to sell out, is still sitting on there too. But definitely love how this one came out. Glad to have this one in the collection. Purple being one of those unsung favorite colors I have, but definitely had to have this one in the collection. Goes very well with the Dodger collection for the most. 2, I feel like this was kind of a necessary hat to have, considering we've had Pinky sell out in record time. Resellers always been high on Pinky for the last couple of years. And for Hat Club to have this new program where they're constantly going to be restocking, I guess, on Pinkies, Icies, and a few other things that from older collections, I think it's a plus on their side, because they not one have to fulfill everybody's need to have a Pinky, and 2, it also gives them, you know, time in between releases. Because like I said, if you have constant sellouts, then what do you really have in store to offer? So I think this is a good thing that they restocked on these heavily, and like the resale has pretty much been dead on Pinkies for the most part. But as y'all can see right here, bam, we have the Anaheim Angels in the team color, as y'all can see right there. Nothing too crazy to go off of. Scarlet top. We have the Angels logo right there, done in the team colors. Tunnel Out New Era logo, flat Batman, and we do have the 50th anniversary stadium patch right there as well. Love this patch right here. You can see right there, it does have that gold in there. If y'all can kind of see that right there. And the coup de grace, been a while since I said that, is the pinky UV on here. Very, very nice in my opinion. And if you want an authentic Hat Club pinky, now is the time to go after them and get them, because if you're one of those people that just worry about, did it come from Hat Club, did it come from Hat Club, if you worry about it, go get it now, because a lot of people are kind of steering away from Hat Club. Not me, because this is one that needed to be in the collection to go with my Dodgers pinkies. And like I said, Angel being another one of my favorite teams, had to get this one. It does have white guts. Very, very nice in my opinion. I believe this was made in Bangladesh. So yeah, if that helps, it's made in Bangladesh, but had to add this one in the collection, the Pinky Angels. And last but certainly not least, this is from what it was, their Sandlot collection, and it is, bam, the LA Dodgers, done in that 1981, the 1980 logo. As y'all can see right there, has the long LA logo right there, and it does have the piping going down there as well, pause. And we do have a two-tone. It's a chrome with a royal blue crown, and we do have the New Era logo done in blue as well. There's no Batman on the back, surprisingly. And this right here is probably one of New Era's best stitch work I've seen in a long time. It is the World Series 1981 logo right there. And if you could pay attention to this right here, this is actually almost pro standard level stitching right here, just because of how the job was done. It's actually bigger than most 1981 patch logos that y'all can see. Is super flat right here, but this one is slightly raised, but the stitching is pretty much almost on par with Pro Standard. If y'all don't know Pro Standard caps, they're snapbacks, and they do like a phenomenal job when it comes to like side patches for the most part. Mostly better than New Era, just because of how the 3D print looks on there. But the highlight of the hat for me was the fact that they had the satin UV on this one, and you can see right there in the light how it shimmers off of that. And we also have the white guts, and we had all the tagging and labeling. And this is based off of I believe Benny off Sandlot. As y'all know, he did wind up playing for the Dodgers at the end of the movie. He did wear a Dodgers hat as well. So definitely love how this one came out. One of my favorites out the collection. But let me know in the comment section below what y'all think. Is Hat Club dead? Are y'all turning y'all attention to other places? Like I said, if you've already been in the community long enough, you probably already kind of dibble and dabble between stores, which is not bad at all. Like I said, some places may have something better than the others. Everybody has something to offer when it comes to this hat space. But let me know in the comment section below what y'all think. As always, I deeply appreciate each and every last one of y'all. Stay true, stay fly, stay blessed. I'm JC Baby, and we're in the showroom, and I'm out. You did. Mamba out.